This is Mathslech. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that next time you may see the new updates. So let's check. Last time we were looking at the distance between 2 points, and today we are looking at a gradient or a slope. A gradient is also called a slope or a straight line, which shows how straight line is calculated. So now let's try to draw a vertical line which shows the y-axis, and draw the horizontal one which represents the x-axis, and we indicate the 0. And let's draw another line which is cutting the y-axis. Let's also draw a right angle triangle in the line which we have drawn, which has got 90, and the y-axis which is in a vertical way, and the x-axis in a horizontal way. So let's try to work out with an example. Find the gradient of the line through open bracket -2 comma -3 close, and the 3 comma 5 close. So now the general formula for finding the gradient, the general formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is the general formula for finding the gradient. So now let's try to write down the points which we have been given, which is -2 comma -3 and the 3 comma 5. So now gradient equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is the formula, and we indicate there x2 y2. So we start substituting now. Where is y2 we put 5 minus y1 there is negative, so open bracket minus 3 over x2 which is 3 minus open bracket minus 2 close. So my negative times negative, which is positive, so it will be 5 plus 3 over 3 plus 2, which is equals to 5 plus 3, which is 8, 3 plus 5 plus 2, which is equals to 5, and this is a positive gradient. Another example, and this is the example 2. That one is the first example, so this one is second. What is the gradient of the line through the points negative 2 comma 5 and 4 comma negative 2 close. So now let's try to find the solution for the given coordinates. So we are going to indicate x1, y1, x2, y2. Then the gradient it will be m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and we substitute. So it will be m equals negative 2 minus 5, where is y1, and d over 4 minus c, open bracket, minus c, 2, where is 2, where is x1, yeah. Then negative 2 minus 5, which is minus 7, over, which is 4 plus 2, equals to negative 7 over 6. The answer is negative, so this is the negative gradient.